Simple economics.
Economics.
Economics is so complicated.
So what is economics? Imagine waking up in the morning and having to decide how to spend your day. You can choose scrolling on social media all day, working on projects, or learning something new. You might not realize it, but at that moment, you are already doing economics. Economics is not just about money, banks, or governments. It begins with everyday human choices and scarcity of resources. When you wake up in the morning, you have limited time, and you choose how to spend this time. At this point, we meet with fundamentals of economics: scarcity, choice, and the creation of economics. The foundation of economics is scarcity. Scarcity means that resources are limited, but human wants are unlimited. Time, money, and natural resources are limited, but our wants and desires never stop. Due to limited resources, we need to make choice, and if you choose one thing, you automatically give up something else. That's where economics begins. Opportunity cost, the real cost of every decision. One of the most important ideas in economics is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative you give up when you make a choice. If you spend time watching TikTok instead of studying, the opportunity cost is what you could have learned. If a government spends money on defense, the opportunity cost might be better healthcare or education. Most people only see money costs. Economists see what is sacrificed. Understanding opportunity cost helps you make smarter decisions, personally and economically. People in ancient Greek realized this 2,400 years ago and named this oikonomics. It is the combination of two words, oikos and nomos. Oikos means household, and nomos means management or rules. In total, economics means managing a household or household management. After time, that household has become cities, countries, and now the global economy. But the problem is the same. How do we manage limited resources in the best possible way? For a long time, economics was mainly theoretical. But as data became available, economists wanted proof. This led to the development of econometrics, the bridge between theory and reality. Econometrics uses mathematics and statistics to test economic ideas. It allows economists to measure relationships and predict outcomes. For example, how much does education increase income? Do interest rates really affect investment? Does government spending stimulate growth? Today, econometrics is everywhere. Central banks use it to fight inflation. Governments use it to evaluate policies. Businesses use it to forecast demand. In the modern world, economics without data is incomplete. In addition, to understand economics clearly, you have to look at it from two different levels, the small and the large. In simple terms, the small level is called microeconomics, and the large level is called macroeconomics. Microeconomics explains how individual choices interact through markets. Macroeconomics steps back and looks at the entire economy. Microeconomics focuses on individual decisions. It studies how consumers decide what to buy, how firms set prices, and how markets work. Why does the price of coffee go up? Why do some companies make profit while others fail? Why do consumers respond to discounts? In total, microeconomics explains how individual choices affect markets. But macroeconomics looks at the economy from a broader perspective. It studies big indicators like economic growth, inflation, unemployment, and national income. Macroeconomics asks questions such as, why do economies fall into recessions or grow up? Why does inflation or unemployment rise? How can governments stabilize the economy? These two levels are deeply connected. Millions of small individual decisions create macroeconomic outcomes. At the same time, inflation, unemployment, and interest rates influence how individuals and businesses behave. Microeconomics shows how choices are made. Macroeconomics shows what those choices create. Together, they explain how the economy works. It's important to understand this. Economics is very wide science. It covers finance, politics, sociology, and even religions. Once you start understanding economics, you don't just understand markets, you understand the world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next videos.